Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Hey. I'm cute today, y'all. I'm cute today and I'm happy. Y'all can usually tell by the vibe at the beginning of the video if I'm feeling a wig or not. And I'm feeling this one. Anyways, my name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. And if you didn't know, you about to know. Your girl right here. I make Amazon reviews on wigs here on my channel, so that's another reason to hit those big red letters below. Today we're reviewing this baddie yaddy. Couple poses for y'all. Anyways, this wig as well as everything I used in the video will be in the description box below, so make sure you check down there for that. Anyways, let's get into this review on this wig. Alright, you guys, here is the unit straight out of the bag. This is the bag that it came in. They did send some nice little items and a wig cap, which is on my big ol' head, as you can see here. Here is the wig straight out of the bags, you guys. This is the hairline of the unit itself. Beautiful, very full wig, y'all. Very full wig. This wig is giving very much hand stitched. She's giving very much, I placed an order for this and I'm getting my money's worth, okay? She was very true to length. I want to say that this wig was 24 inches. Excuse me if it's not. I'm not really looking at the information right now, but as you can see, this is the construction of the wig. A full 13x6 lace front and a comb in the back with some adjustable straps. Like I said, this unit looked like it was hand sewn, but very high quality hand sewn. Maybe I should say machine sewn, but just super thick. So many tracks were in this wig. This is how the lace was against my skin color. It was giving very much HD lace. So if you guys have any differing skin colors than me, she's gonna match you no matter what. All you have to do is put some makeup on her. Like I said, this hairline was super thick, so of course I went ahead in there and I plucked the mess out of her. Not too much, because I'm very iffy on my plucking because I want my wigs to last, y'all. So I ended up using some water just to pluck her. I wet this sucker up, as y'all can see, and I plucked her wet. I don't know why I keep looking back. Olineece, move. Dang, I don't know why I keep looking back at y'all, but what I was trying to show y'all was the fact that, girl, that she flat irons in one pass. That's all you need. After this, I did go ham, but that's just muscle memory, I guess. So don't do what I did, but she definitely did go flat within one pass. Here I go, going ham on the hair, just burning that sucker out. You don't need to do all that, okay? But here she is, the thickness of it all. Don't watch my TV. If you watch my TV, you're racist. No, I'm kidding. Here is the thickness of the wig, all of it. So super thick, y'all. A ponytail in itself, and that's not even including the hair and the closure. She's so beautiful. Look at this. I've never had a colored wig this nice, so I was super excited to show you guys this, and I am super excited that y'all can see it and that you need it. And what are you waiting for? Go get this wig. Anyways, these are the products that I used. A link to all of them will be in the description box below. Don't recommend using this mousse or as much mousse as I did. Spritz mousse. It's gonna hold the hair really tight, and it kind of gets a little bit crusty on me, so don't do that. But that's nothing on the wig itself, y'all. Nothing on the wig. That's just the products I chose to use because that's all I had laying around. But it does get her flat, so it kind of does the job. So I don't know. I did use some makeup, and you can see that it is a full lace front wig, like very much lace front. Lately, I feel like it's been hard to find wigs like this because they've been playing with us in terms of the lace front area. They really have. So I'm glad I was able to get this wig. And of course, like any other unit, I did glue her down because I did have her in my head for a couple of days. It's actually been the 4th day that now that I'm voicing over this video that I've had her in my head, and may I say she has lived up to her standards. I've curled her and everything, and she's just been beautiful and blissful, and I've gotten so many compliments. So I'm super excited to share this with y'all. I'm sorry if I don't sound too excited. This is my like 5th or 6th time voicing over this video, so I'm freaking mad. Like, oh my gosh. Anyways, hopefully this is the last time, and hopefully you guys understand the love that I have for this unit. I'm kind of sad to take her off because I do have to review another unit for you guys, but she will be going on my head as soon as I have some break. I'm probably even going to be wearing this for Christmas. Very festive with the red hair, but it's very Jessica Rabbit, toning it down, you know. Anyways, I'm gonna shut up. Unless y'all like to hear me talk, give me a big thumbs up if y'all like to hear me talk. Maybe I should have one of them, not a SoundCloud, what is it called? Girl, what is it called when they just talk? You just listen to people talk. You know what, at this point, I'm annoying myself. Anyways, I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of this video. I still can't think of the name, dang. I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of this video, and I'm gonna come back to y'all in the end with the final style, which is beautiful, as usual, and my final thoughts on the wig and anything you should know that I record in real time. Okay? All right, bye. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. Y'all, hold on. Okay, so the wigs I've been getting in, trust me, I've been giving y'all my complete, honest, 100% truth, but this wig right here, do y'all see this density all the way through? Do y'all see the color on my skin tone? Like, I'm giving Jessica Rabbit tone down, something you can do on an everyday kind of basis. This wig, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Literally the only cons I can say about her is a couple of flyaways, but no flyaways that are incredibly crazy that you don't get the true to length. And that's it. That's really it. But that's with any hair, really. I can't really think of anything else. This density was amazing. All the hair is true to length. I can tell the hair on the closure is a little bit shorter than the actual hair on the wig, which I personally have no problem with, and 9 times to 10 I really don't expect because this wig is so long. This is the full length on me and I'm loving her. Okay, that's why I'm yelling, but let me chill out. The luster, the movement. Baby girl, I got some inches today. Woo! I'm looking like I already took your man. I'm kidding. I don't want him. Men nowadays are embarrassing. I keep them, trust me. Anyways, y'all, let me know what y'all think about this hair in the comments. If y'all have any questions, make sure to leave them down there as I will answer them for you. If you like my content today, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. This wig passed the rating on everything. Styling, the lace was stretchy and super HD, so I feel like whatever skin color you do have, I kind of messed it up with using the spritz. Don't recommend the spritz. Whatever skin color you do have, whatever type of makeup you put on it, it's gonna match with your skin. So yeah, go get her if you're looking for a good quality color wig that's not over bleached and colored, and that's just beautiful, lustrous, and thick. And honey was just sitting on my thing and I was looking at her like, ooh, can't wait to put you on. Now look at her. Hello. 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 She does hold a curl pretty well. You guys could see that the hair was kind of wavy in the beginning, so I figured that she will hold a curl. The only part that I did curl was this part right here. I didn't use any holding spray, but she is holding a curl kind of nicely. I soft curled it, so if you guys want to wear this hair curly, you probably will. If you don't have this wig already, don't know what you're waiting for, okay? The link will be in the description box below, as well as all the products that I used in this video today, guys. Really hope you liked my content. If you haven't already, make sure you hit those big red letters below on your way out and give me a big thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you guys as subscribers, watchers, or commenters on my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching.